This is Palette AI Enhance, and it's incredible. It saves hours of manual sharpening, restoring clarity with truly professional results. Forget complicated editing techniques. With Palette AI, you simply upload, enhance, and download professional quality sharp images like this, perfect for printing or social media.
3, 2, can artificial intelligence rescue this extremely blurry portrait? Look at this, it's absolutely stunning. The detail is incredible.
We thought these memories were lost forever. The detail is just remarkable. We are so happy with them.
As creators, we can't let a blurry shot ruin our workflow. But check this out. With Palette AI, you can enhance any photo to crisp quality in seconds.
Stop wasting hours on manual sharpening. With Palette AI Enhance, you can achieve stunningly sharp photos in seconds, not hours.
Look, Papa, it's you. It's perfectly clear now.
Oh, Beta, this is incredible.
I haven't seen this picture in decades.
And just like that, the AI restores the image with incredible detail. It really simplifies the entire workflow.
Dad, we fixed the old photos for Father's Day.
Oh, wow, these are amazing. I remember this day like it was yesterday.
Blurry portraits are no longer a problem. Using Palette AI, we can restore perfect clarity in seconds. Look at this before and after. The detail is simply stunning.
Look, Mom, it's Grandpa.
I remember this day like it was yesterday. It's so clear now.
It is. The results speak for themselves. Palette AI's enhancement is simply unmatched, delivering stunning clarity and optimizing your workflow. Look at this one, it's so blurry.
Wait, look, it's clearing up.
Oh, Papi, I remember this day. It's beautiful now. Whether it's motion blur or a missed focus point, blurry images are a common issue. But with Palette AI Enhance, we can restore remarkable...
Don't let precious memories fade. Transform your blurry photos into stunning high-definition masterpieces with Palette AI Enhance.
I've never seen anything like it. The detail it pulls from these old photos is absolutely stunning, saving us countless hours.
With Palette AI, I transformed my blurry vacation shots into cinematic gold. My views exploded, and I'm publishing faster than ever.
Just upload your photo to Palette AI, click Enhance, and watch the blur disappear. It's incredibly fast and gives you professional results every time.
Restoring the irreplaceable. With Palette AI, every detail emerges from the blur.
It was so blurry before, but this brought it right back.
Oh, sweetheart, it's beautiful. Thank you.
While traditional methods are slow and frustrating, Palette AI delivers stunning results instantly. It's 95% faster and achieves superior quality.
We can't use this. The resolution is terrible.
Wait, Palette AI sharpened it in seconds. This looks incredible.
Mijo, look at your grandparents. The colors are so vivid now. It's like they are right here with us. This is wonderful.
Using Palette AI Enhance, we restore this blurry portrait in real time. This level of intelligent photo enhancement offers truly unmatched productivity.
Manual sharpening is tedious and often introduces artifacts. But Palette AI allows us to achieve professional quality results instantly. Look at the detail here.
Look at this. I can't believe how clear it is. Do you remember this day?
Oh, it's beautiful. We look so young.
With this technology, we're not just scanning photos, we're restoring history for future generations.
As you can see from the benchmarks, Palette AI absolutely crushes the competition in terms of speed, processing images in mere milliseconds.
Oh, look at that. I remember it like yesterday. It's perfect.
See how easily we integrate Palette AI. It takes this blurry image and delivers a perfect, high-quality result instantly.
From the highest peaks to the deepest deserts, these moments defined us. Now, with remarkable clarity and speed, we can finally see them again.
Blurry photos used to be a problem, but with Palette AI, you can transform them instantly. Look at this before and after. It saves so much prep time.
Never miss a moment again. We took this incredibly blurry shot and used Palette AI to restore it to professional quality in seconds.
I remember this day like it was yesterday.
Look at that, Grandma. It's perfectly clear now.
I can finally see his face. It brings back so many memories.
We specialize in restoring your most cherished memories with unparalleled speed and quality.
These photos were nearly lost to time. We couldn't show them clearly until we started using Palette AI.
Wow, that's my great-grandfather. I've never seen his face so clearly.
Stop wasting time on manual sharpening. With Palette AI, we've reduced our workflow from minutes to seconds, ensuring exceptional quality across the board.
Remember this, Dad? It's the old fishing spot.
Look how clear it is. I remember that day like it was yesterday. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Absolutely stunning. I never thought I'd see these details again.
Welcome to Palette AI. Simply highlight the blurry portraits, click Batch Enhance, and watch the magic happen.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
Introducing Palette AI Enhance Blurry Photos. We deliver remarkable clarity instantly, reducing editing time and unlocking true productivity for creative professionals.
Reason is, we've all been there. A great moment ruined by motion blur or poor focus. Thankfully, tools like Palette AI are
50 years, and the memories are brighter than ever. I love you, always.
Using Palette AI, she transformed her workflow, doubling productivity and reclaiming her life.
Look how clear Grandma's face is now. It's beautiful. We have to hang this one right here.
We ran extensive benchmarks, and the results are clear. Palette AI not only delivers the most realistic sharpness, but it does so with incredible speed.
With Palette AI, we can bring these blurry historical moments back to life for our lessons.
Wow, look at the details on this uniform now.
It looks brand new.
Don't let blurry photos fade away. Rediscover your precious memories, crystal clear, with Palette AI.
The difference is night and day. Look at the detail recovered here. This level of precision and speed is a game changer for our workflow.
It's like bringing history back to life. With Palette AI, we can finally see these masterpieces clearly again.
We just import the blurry photo here in Palette AI, hit Enhance, and look at that detail. It even optimizes for SEO when you export, making your workflow so much faster.
With Palette AI, we've transformed blurry archives into stunning, high-quality visuals.
We finally fixed all the old photos, Mom.
Oh my goodness, they look amazing. Thank you.
We have millions of photographs spanning the last century. Many are deteriorating. This new AI technology is absolutely
Stop wasting time on manual sharpening. With Palette AI, you get instant, consistently sharp results, boosting your productivity by 98%.
To handle the sheer volume of images, we use Palette AI. It intelligently sharpens thousands of blurry photos in batches.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I remember this day like it was yesterday. It's perfect.
With Palette AI Enhance, we achieve professional quality instantly. The detail recovery is truly next generation.
Being dates. Image blur happens because of motion, focus ooze, or locus issues, or lens limitations.
I can't believe how beautiful this looks. To the clearest memories. And our anniversary.
Don't let a blurry shot slow you down. With Palette AI, you get instantly sharp, professional quality photos that guarantee higher engagement.
The photos are stunning. Highly recommend.
that, it's perfectly clear now. It's wonderful. We thought this memory was lost.
Look at this. While the desktop software struggles, Palette AI delivers stunning detail instantly. It's not just better, it's faster.
To restore this image, we just upload it to Palette AI. And look at that, a visually engaging resource ready for the classroom, saving us hours of prep time.
Palette AI Enhance. Bring every blurry memory back into perfect focus.